going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Easy HVAC. So today's video, I will be changing out a blower motor for a Lennox rooftop unit. Let's get to it. Alright, so this is the motor that is bad. This is the motor that I will be changing out today. So we're just going to slide it out, and we'll take the motor off of the plate. We'll take the screws out, and then we will put the new motor on. Pretty simple. But to show you that the motor is bad, come over here. So I have one lead to ground, and we're gonna check load side. I'm gonna set my meter to ohms or continuity. Alright, so we are shorted to ground on one leg. So it's just to show you guys, I've already confirmed that the motor is bad, or that it doesn't run when you turn it on. So I'm gonna get that changed out, and I will also replace this contactor as well. So new motor, new contactor. All right, let's get to it. All right, so I got the new motor in. This is the new motor. Put the sheet back on. Now what's next is to connect the wires. These are the wires here. So I've already stripped them. Now we're just gonna connect them, wire tie them, button everything up, and then I will also replace the contactor. And after that, I'll go ahead and check amp draws and make sure this motor is running the correct, or spinning the correct direction. Alright guys, so I got the new contactor in. I've got the motor connected, and the belt is on. So now I'm going to turn the unit back on. Let's see if she runs. And we'll also take our amp draws. This motor is rated for 7.5 amps. All right, let's turn it on. We are pulling currently 6.9 amps, 6.8. Let's check the other leg. 6.5. 6.4, 6.5. All right, so this motor is running. It's spinning the correct direction, and we are within the required amp range. So yeah, I'd say we're pretty much done here. It's a blower motor change out. Thanks you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.